No problem. No worries. It's easy. It's straightforward. I'm busy. I'm occupied. Help me. Assist me. I'm happy. I'm delighted. I'm sad. I'm devastated. I think so. I believe so. I'm scared. I'm terrified. Go away. Depart. It's fine. It's acceptable. I'm hungry. I'm famished. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Be quiet. Silence, please. Hurry up. Expedite. Very good. Excellent. Be careful. Exercise caution. Tell me. Inform me. Leave me alone. Give me a break. How are you? How's it going? You are so lucky. You are so jammy. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wraps. Stop wasting time. Stop faffing around. Good luck. Break a leg. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. I'm fit and healthy. I'm fit as a fiddle. Are you mad? Are you out of mind? I like you a lot. I'm so into you. My mistake, my bad. Text me. Hit me up. I have no money. I'm broken. I'll pay the bill. It's on me. I understand you. I feel you. Maybe. Perhaps. Please. Kindly. Goodbye. Catch you later. It's your choice. It's up to you. Have a nice day. Have a good one. Do you need help? Do you need assistance? I suppose. I presume. Me too. As am I. Pretty cool. Kind of neat. It impressed me a lot. It blew me away. He died. He passed away. I can't come. I can't make it. I lost focus. I zoned out. We'll talk about it later. We'll circle back. I see your point. Point made. Sometimes. Every once in a while. Make you angry. Rile you up. Put something away. Set aside. Let me give you some advice. Word of advice. Exactly what I needed. Hit the spot. I suddenly realized. It dawned on me. Exactly right. Spot on. I'm feeling strange. I'm feeling off. To be honest. To be frank. We don't understand each other. We are not on the same page. Very soon. Before you know it. I'm going crazy. I'm losing it. I'm in. I'm down. Relax. Loosen up. Searching. Looking through. You knew this all the time. You knew this all along. It's not my business, but it's not my place, but I couldn't stop myself from smiling. I couldn't help smiling. Stop it. Knock it off. Getting better. Looking up. I believe you. Take your word for it. I know this place very well. I know this place like the back of my hand. Work very hard. Work like a dog. Starting to get sick. Coming down with something. blocked, stuffed up. Wait until it goes away. Ride it out. Get married. Tie a knot. Eat food. Have a meal. Fat, big boned. Meat, ketchup. Lazy, couch potato. Famous, well known. Idea, concept. Teacher, tutor. Student, learner. Criminal, offender. Tourist, visitor. Enough, sufficient. Many, numerous. Problem, issue. Wait for a moment. Hold your horses. Do it quickly. Do it promptly. I'm hopeful. I'm optimistic. Don't lose hope. Keep your hopes alive. Never give up. Be persevere. It's really difficult. It's Herculean. Don't decide quickly. Don't jump to conclusion. Don't judge on appearance. Don't judge a book by its cover. I'm hurt. I'm wounded. I'm annoyed. I'm irritated. I'm unsure. I'm uncertain. I'm healthy. I'm robust. I'm amazed. I'm awestruck. I'm proud. I'm honored. I'm cold. I'm chilly. I'm sleepy. I'm drowsy. I'm calm. I'm serene. I'm angry. I'm enraged. I'm bored. I'm uninterested. It's boring. It's monotonous. Weak, frail, frightening, terrifying, annoying, infuriating, colorful, vibrant, creative, innovative, big, massive, attractive, charming. I am caring. I'm compassionate. I am lively. I'm spirited. I am funny. I'm humorous. I am popular. I'm renowned. I am talented. I'm gifted. I am generous. I'm munificent. I am late. I am delayed. I am full. I am satisfied. It's a secret. It's hush hush. I love it. I'm crazy about it. You go first. After you. I'm nervous. I'm anxious. Excuse me. Pardon. Sit down. Have a seat. I'm interested. I'm curious. In the end, finally. I am taking a bath. I am having a shower. It is not finished. It is not over. Be happy. Cheer up. Time passes quickly. Time flies. Behave properly. Behave yourself. Sing with me. Sing along. You can take by yourself. Help yourself. It's important. It's crucial. I'm relaxed. I'm at ease. It's safe. It's secure. I made a big mistake. I screwed up. It's time to study. It's time to hit the books. It's hard. It's a tough nut to crack. I'll prove you wrong. I'll make you eat your words. You are very kind. You have a heart of gold. It's new. It's brand new. It's old. It's antiquated. It's expensive. It costs a fortune. It's cheap. It's a bargain. I'm listening. I'm all ears. Can I come tomorrow? Can I drop tomorrow? I'll say nothing. I'll zip my lips. I'm confused. I'm baffled. He has a lot of money. He is absolutely loaded. It's big. It's enormous. It's small. It's tiny.